In this video, I'll show you how to import a bank statement in Xero. Once you are on your Xero account, the first step is to head over to the top bar. And on the left hand side, simply click on the fifth tab for accounting. Now, under accounting, you want to head over to the banking section, and down below, you want to click on bank accounts. Once you are on the bank account section, what you want to do is hover onto a bank account, and on the right hand side, you will see the three dots for more actions. And on the reconcile, what you want to do is click on import a statement. Now, once you click on import statement, you'll be taken to import bank transactions on your account. Now, from here, you have two options to upload. The first way is by using your own bank statement. And in order for you to do that, just simply head over to File to Upload, and at the bottom, click on Select File. Now, that will open your files, and in there, you can just add your bank statement. The second way is by creating your own statement file using the CSV template created by Xero. Now, in order for you to find the CSV template, simply head over to the top, and in here you will find a hyperlink to download the Xero CSV template. Now, click on the hyperlink, and once you do that, it will open your files and just simply click on Save. Now, the file that you have uploaded is what we call as a CSV file. In order for you to open the CSV file, you can do that within Excel, or we can also do that within Google Sheets. Now, once you open the CSV template, you will have a column A until column F. In here, you have the date, amount, payee, description, reference, as well as check number. And for my transactions, it will look exactly like this. So on the left hand side, I added the transaction date, which is on the month of March. I also added the amount of the transaction. I added the payee. An example is Supplier Fabric Co. And the purpose of that transaction is, if you head over to the description section in here, it is to purchase the materials. Now you want to add the reference. And once you are ready to import your bank statement, just simply head over to the top and left corner and click on File. And under File, you want to make sure that you download this as a CSV file, which is a comma separated value. And once that's done, it will automatically save. Now head over back to Xero. In here, you want to head over to File to Upload. And at the bottom, click on Select File. Now from here, you want to add the exact statement. And once you do that, head over to the bottom and right corner and click on Next. Now, once you add your statement, it will map and assign the columns. You can also change this later on. So on the date, on the right hand side, you want to add this as the transaction date. On the amount, you want to set this as the transaction amount. On the payee, set it to payee. On the description, you want to set it to description. On the reference, you want to head over to the right hand side. And from here, you want to click on reference. On the check number, click on the drop down again. And from here, just add the check number. Now, if you head over to the bottom, it will show you the transaction preview. And once you're done, head over to the bottom and right corner and click on next. Now it will show you all of the details of your transaction. And once you are satisfied with how everything looks like, just simply head over to the bottom and right hand side and click on complete import. And once you do that, as you can see, you will now have your bank statements right in here. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.